Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a 2015 Dodge Charger to rebuild. All right, let me show you what's going on. This is the car right now. As you can see, it get a front impact. The radiator support is damaged. We have one to replace it with. The radiator is damaged. The AC condenser is damaged. Right, there was a lot of other little damage. Right here is kinked in. All of this panel right here, this inner panel, is damaged, but for that panel we have this one to put on. I'm gonna just take off this section and replace that. The glass is broken, the hood is damaged, bumper is damaged, all of that, so it's a lot of work, but let's get started. But before I go no further, I have these drill bits right here to drill out all these places right here. So I'm gonna test out these drill bits right now and see how they hold up. Alright, let's get to it. That I needed. Right now I'm removing the radiator support. I don't need that anymore. Also I'm removing the wiring harness from the side, right beside the ABS pump. So right now, guys, I'm just taking off. I'm gonna take off the fender, the right fender, because there are some damages right here. I need to see more, so I'm gonna take off the fender. And also the fender has a damage right here. And then there's a lot more things inside. As you can see, the airbag has been deployed. So that needs to change. Also, we have a radiator right here, a new radiator right here. The steering bag, air bag, also deployed. The dash airbag is also. Those are the least of the problem right now. Right now we're trying to get the car up and running again. So I'm focused on everything at the front and to do with the engine. As you can see, there's mud everywhere. It's crazy. So now we can take a proper look. It's not that bad. Right here, push in a little bit. See that little kink right there? That need to come out. So all of this need to pull back this way and knock it out, straighten it out. Well, the holes line up on this side right here. I need to straighten this part or remove it. This is bent all the way back. I need to straighten right here, right? This section right here, this is good. Everything lines up right here. So all the holes line up right there. So this is how everything looking right now. So those are some of the parts that come off the front. And on the back seat I have most of the other parts. We have one headlight, the other headlight is broken. The front grille, that's gonna be need to be replaced also. These are all the things right here. And then there was some parts in the trunk, like that section right there. Well, this is one of the radiator hose that's ripped off, damaged so badly. So we're not going to use back that part. Need to pick up the new hood later for this. So right now, every screw and everything line up perfectly. So I'm gonna just test some parts, like put the hood on, trying to put the bumper on, and see if everything lines up. Hopefully everything does. Well, I don't have no doubts of that. I know everything will line up, but sometimes, you know, you need to make little adjustments, but that's nothing. All right, so guys, I'm wrapping this video up right here. As you can see, extra hot. I'm under a tent right now, right in front of the garage. There's another car on the lift right now. So until that comes down, I can't put this car in the garage properly yet. But we need to pick up some more parts. So what I'm gonna focus on now, getting some more parts to get some more work done. So guys, until the next episode, just keep watching.
Yeah.